Hello, in front of me I've got Realme Narzo 50 Pro. In this video I'll show you how to add cards to Google Wallet. In the beginning, let's go to Wallet and tap Add to Wallet button. Now you can add payment card, transit pass, loyalty and gift card. Let's focus on these three. Enter transit pass firstly and select transit pass you would like to add. You will be directed to a website where you have to finish the inside form. Next, let's select loyalty and add your loyalty card. Now you can scan it or enter member ID manually. Tap OK, add to wallet and it's done. In the end, let's select gift card, which is pretty similar to loyalty cards because you have to select a shop, enter card number, PIN, balance your notes and tap Add to Wallet. And that's it. All of your cards will appear on the homepage of Google Wallet. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.